The 5 most dangerous countries for driving. Listen carefully for your next holiday. Number 5. Thailand. With a high rate of motorcycle accidents, Thailand is one of the most dangerous countries for two-wheelers. Aggressive driving, poorly maintained roads, frequent red light violations make traffic extremely risky. Number 4. Brazil. Brazil's roads are infamous for speeding, frequent crashes, and even roadside bandit attacks in certain areas. Massive traffic jams in São Paulo and Rio make driving even more challenging. Number 3. India. Here, chaotic traffic is a way of life. Between sacred cows on the road, pedestrians, tuk-tuks, overloaded trucks, and constant honking, driving in India is a real challenge, with one of the highest fatal accident rates. Number 2. Dominican Republic. With one of the highest road fatality rates, this country is a nightmare for drivers. Reckless driving, dangerous overtaking, and frequent drunk driving incidents. Number 1. Nigeria. The most dangerous country for driving in the world. Roads are extremely damaged, poorly lit, and packed with reckless drivers.